Hi, this is Dean from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Avenue, Coopers Plains. Phone number is 0738481382. Today we have a November 2014 Hyundai IX35. Stock number on this one is 4019. This model runs from 11th month 09 up to the 1st month 2016. It has a G4KG 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine, backed by an automatic all-wheel drive transmission. G4KJ engine. This vehicle has stain damage in the front bonnet. This vehicle is fitted with factory 17-inch mags. Left-hand front has been severely damaged in an accident. Left-hand door mirror, it's an electric type with indicator. Left-hand door is in good condition. Left-hand rear door is in good condition, one tiny dent. Left-hand rear, factory 17-inch mag with good tyre. Left-hand tail light. Left-hand garnish light. Tailgate comes complete with reverse camera. Tidy rear bar cover. Right hand rear garnish or tailgate light. Right hand tail light in body. Right hand rear factory 17-inch mag with good tyre. Driver's side rear door is too damaged to sell. Right hand front door is in good condition. Right hand front electric mirror, indicator type. Right hand guard in good condition. Right hand front factory 17-inch mag with good tyre. This vehicle has black leather interior. Here's the door trim, master window control switch. This vehicle is fitted with factory black leather seats. Here's the driver's side. Center console lid. Console, automatic transmission. Here's the factory sat nav CD player. Passenger side sun visor. Courtesy light with sunglass holder. Interior mirror. Right hand side sun visor. And factory steering wheel with your cruise and audio controls. Thanks for watching this video. I'm Dean from Total Parts Plus.